Oh, he grabbed him!
Well, hello guys. Today I'm doing something new. I'm making a through-wire crankbait. Tomorrow, Richard and I are headed to a river that holds migrating sea trout. I have to get my lure done in one day, so I better get started. So as you saw, I have managed to complete most of the through wire contraption. Only thing left to do is finish the tail end. For my first through wire setup, I think it came out looking pretty good. After some minor adjustments, I got it to fit nicely as well. At this point it was getting kind of late, and I still had to secure in the through wire, cover the slit, paint the lure and clear coat it. I did finish the lure in one day, but tomorrow will tell if it even works and if I can manage to catch some sea trout with it. I'm using a 2.4 meter rod paired with a 3000 size reel that has monofilament line on it. I'm using mono because braid tends to have more problems with freezing temperatures. So we have arrived at the river. The current seems to be pretty strong.
Uh-huh.
Looks good to me.
Yeah.
I hope you guys saw that. I got my lure stuck on the other side of the river in a tree, and it seems like it's not coming loose. This most likely means that I'll lose my lure. Richard saved my lure. Unbelievable. No. The lure flew somewhere here. My line is still stuck in the tree. Such an emotional roller coaster. We saw the lure fly towards us. I thought it's still connected to the line, but it wasn't. It broke off. We found it, but can we recover it? I see it. You're moving it. It is my lure, but how can we? I don't see it anymore. Oh, please. It dropped. Oh! Yes! No way! Against all odds. No way!
Let's go.
Yes! Fish. I had a fish on. Whew. I hope you guys saw that on the camera. What? So, what's on today's menu? Let's see. We have pulled pork, cheddar cheese, marinated chili. Sounds good. Richard has some homemade sandwiches.
With chorizo and ham and cheese and paprika.
Sounds good. Pretty good. Richard has a fish on.
Nice job. You will not lose this one. Yeah. Good for me. I'm gonna flip him. Over?
Oh!
There we go.
Such a nice looking fish.
It's exactly legal. Like 51. Good turn. There it goes.
There he goes. Good job.
Kaboom! Let's go!
Well, now it's my turn. Ja ta tuli kuskil keset jõge otsa või?
Põhjast tuli üles.
Oh! Oh. No way. Soft rod and mono, which means that the hook sets are really soft. Second fish I missed today. I lost my lure. Yeah. Yeah, that was a big one. Whew. Now the lure is definitely lost. I only took one handmade lure with me today, so I have to choose something else now. Something from the store. Maybe this one. Got one. I missed him again.
Again, you lost him.
Yeah. I really don't like fishing with mono.
Fish on. Another one. No, don't go there. Don't get stuck on the branches. Fish on.
Richard has another fish.
Oh.
Oh.
Another one.
Oh, this one's a bit bigger, I think.
Not legal.
Yeah.
Oh, what a beautiful fish.
So there's about 45 minutes of daylight left. And I really hope I get at least one fish before it goes dark. Did you lose him? He still has it. Oh, parkour. Oh, easy. Grab him.
No, no.
So this is it for the day. Richard got 2 fish.
2 fish to the bank, 1 got away.
And I had 4 fish on for a moment and then they all got away. Which is kind of a bummer, but I guess this is fishing.
Rest in peace, your handmade lure.